What's up, guys? Good morning. I just woke up not too long ago. I still feel sleepy, but anyways, I have a lot to do today. Today is Saturday, and yeah, so I have some things I need to get done for tomorrow because a friend of mine is actually shooting a short film, and I'm the hair and makeup artist on set. So yeah, and we actually need like a fake blood, so that's what I'm going to attempt making now. Actually, I need to go brush before I come do that, but anyways, I just wanted to come introduce the vlog and welcome you guys to another vlog. Okay, that is the update as for now, and let's move on with the day. Also, I decided to wash some of my brushes that were dirty that I would be needing for the makeup on set. And I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. But yeah, the sun is out now, so I just want to take it outside so it can dry up properly. Because I did this last night. Me and my brushes. Okay, the sun is actually hot enough.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, I'm back. Fancy. My sister is staring at me. So I'm back from brushing. I'm about to start. She's doing the dishes. In case you guys hear any noise, my sister is doing the dishes. So yeah, I told her, I said I don't want to make this blood because I don't like pressure like that. Like, it does not come out well. And tomorrow is the shoot. No time for mistakes. But yeah, I have like some videos saved on my YouTube app, so I'm going to look at that. Actually, one, we're going to use corn syrup, but I couldn't find corn syrup anywhere, so we're going to use cornstarch. Then the next one, we're going to use icing sugar. Then the third one, we're going to use flour. So yeah, those are like 3 different kinds of blood making recipe. So whichever one, I'll just like, at least, you know, out of the 3 that I'll be making, one has to be good. Okay, so that's why I decided to opt for, you know, different procedures in making them, in making the blood. But anyways, let me set you guys down because my hands are already paining me, and also so you guys can see. Look, so these are the things I'll be using to make the blood. Yeah, they are actually baking stuff. Yeah, and I'll also be needing flour. I got flour too. So yes, I'll be pouring them. Hopefully this is enough. I don't know. So this is green coloring, blue and red. I need to dissolve these thingies. Okay, so was what I wanted. Like, this is the food coloring, something like this. No stress. But I don't know why yesterday of all days I decided not to have. But anyways, we shall not fall our hands. So yeah, let's get to it. my top because I didn't want to get that one stained to pain me a lot. So yeah, I don't even know what to do. I'm scared to start. Okay, let's start. So yeah, so anyways, that is my attempt at making fake blood. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think anyways. And yeah, that is it. I think I'm going to make this a separate vlog. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed this vlog. Don't worry, I'll be vlogging tomorrow for you guys. Hopefully I'm vlogging tomorrow. I really want to vlog tomorrow, so you guys will see like behind the scenes of a movie set. It's not a big movie, so don't be expecting them, you know, Genevieve. But we are getting there, okay? Small. It's just a short movie. Anyways, I'll talk more on that when it's tomorrow. But for now, this is the end of this vlog. If you found this video interesting, do give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.